How to fix Minecraft crash error problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, just go to settings and then go to update and security. Once you're here, make sure your Windows is updated, and after that just go to apps and now type here Java, uninstall Java, and then install it again. If you want to install it, just go to Google Chrome or any browser you have and then type Java download, and that's it. Click on it and now just download Java, and that's it. Download it and install it. It's easy. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.